Okay, so we've been servicing this radio today, Rotel RVC220, so it's the lower tier Cybernet 134 from 1981. It's doing full 4 watts, incredible receiver at 0.2 for 12 dB cyanide, and I dare say that 10 dB is actually 0.195, but we can't read that because we're between scales. So, we do have the factory original mic, but we're going to run with the standard replacement mic, and then we'll test the factory original one right at the end. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
10-4. This is a set in its box with destructions.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. A lot of people in doggy daycare today. 3 cars in there, 6 people and dogs.
Well, they must know each other.
One would think so.
Or it'd be right doggy noise, wouldn't it?
Mind you, you could set up a group on some social network and say if anybody wants to split the cost, we could all go take his dogs.
Yeah, you could do it over the CB, couldn't you? 19 any breaker want to join me with dogs at doggy daycare next to Tango Towers.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Got you at the end of the line.
People in doggy daycare today. 3 cars in there, 6 people and dogs.
Well,
End of the lane.
at the end of the line.
Passing Ancaster service station, one sif, I don't know what one of them is, 157.9 and 191.9.
Roger on that. Now you got your teeth back in.
Roger. Right, we're square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
What you got you at Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
What you got you at the top of the hill?
Roger. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
You loud and clear, go around Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Rotel RVC220 from 1981 that uses the lower tier version, Cybernet 134 chassis, being a full 4 watt output, got an incredible receive 0.2 microvolts 12 dB, and I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
You're going over Wilford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
What you got you at the Kelby turn?
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
What have you got you at the Greyleys turn?
Roger. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
So you got you the 5 mile point. One is Rotel RVC220 from 1981. It's on standard replacement mic, doing a full 4 watt output and going 1.2 amps. We're going to go to low type, that's 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5422. And there we are back on full power over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power. Yeah, pretty noisy and difficult to hear.
Roger, that was getting noisier on full power as the leaves come on the trees. Off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, you're on the move.
Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol today 157.9 and diesel 189.7.
Sounds like it's come down a bit.
No, I don't think so. That's the same as yesterday, I believe.
Roger on that. Okay, I'll work out the tree. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got the petrol price for me today at that end, please?
Yep, petrol today 157.9 and diesel 189.7.
That sounds like it's come down a bit.
No, I don't think so. Same as yesterday, I believe.
Roger on that. Okay, that worked. Absolute treat. Thanks very much. And 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Brilliant. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like with the factory original mic. Same shape as our standard replacement mic. There's a lot of fake mics, you know, out there between AliExpress and eBay where they don't have screened cables. Just be aware of that because you're going to introduce a hum very easily. Right, we'll see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base station, which uses the same chassis but the higher tier version.
Tango 21 testing the Rotel RVC220 with our standard replacement mic into the Midland 76900 base station. Full power testing 1 2 3 4 5. Now we're on low power testing 1 2 3. Back to full power